Fresh violence rocked Manipur's Kangpokpi district in the early hours of Friday, leaving 3 persons, including a woman, dead and at least 7 houses reduced to ashes after armed assailants launched an attack on Loibol village. According to reports, the attack began at around 4 a.m. The deceased have been identified as Let Khongam Haukip, his wife Tinmari Haukip, and Jungminlal Haukip. Amid escalating tensions, a purported video from the affected area surfaced on social media on Friday morning. The footage allegedly shows armed men carrying firearms, while a voice speaking in Kuki language is heard directing a gunman to open fire in different directions. The authenticity of the video, however, remains unverified. The incident has triggered a fresh war of words between Kuki and Naga organizations. Condemning the attack, the Rongmei Naga Council in Manipur alleged that Kuki militant groups were behind the violence. The council claimed that indiscriminate firing began around 3:30 a.m., endangering the lives of residents in the area. Countering the allegation, the Kuki Inpi Manipur KIM accused cadres of the NSCNIM and the Ziliangrong United Front ZUF Kamson of orchestrating the assault. In a statement, the KIM termed the incident a terror attack, alleging that 3 civilians from Loibol Kullen were killed and 7 houses were destroyed in the assault. The organization expressed deep anguish over the loss of lives and damage to civilian property. The latest flare-up has drawn sharp condemnation from civil society groups and legislators across the state who have called for urgent intervention by the authorities to prevent further deterioration of the law and order situation.